Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. 3Doodler is the name of a company that's had success creating a pen-based 3D printer, and the company's latest device, 3D Build and Play, is designed to be safe for kids as young as 4 and will be priced at just $30. Co-founder Max Bogue says the idea here is to unleash creativity and ease of use.
We created these molds that have holes in them, and it's almost like an injection molding system that the kids can then use to fill in the mold and then put pieces together. So we moved to a hand crank device so that they could have more control in a sense. We developed it in a way that allowed us to also switch the handle so that it's good for lefties and righties.
And the materials for creating are actually food grade safe. 3D Build and Play is scheduled to arrive this spring or early summer. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.